Hello, welcome. My name's Crow and welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a sound demo video for one of our drums on our Etsy shop. It's for this rather lovely but very large shamanic drum just here. Now this is a 22-inch frame. It's an ash wood frame and the skin on here is horse skin. If I turn it over, you can see on the back here the style of the handle. It's laced with artificial sinew. The hoop here is decorated with wool, and I've left some of that wool dangling down there. This is beechwood for the cross handle, and there's a little bit of leather just in here to finish off it in the middle to make it a little bit more comfortable on your fingers when you're gripping. Now on the inside of the frame here I put a little bit of information. If I just have a little look here, birthed on the 12th of April 2022 in Knighton, Powys, UK, and that's to enable you to be able to make a birth chart to find out what the energies were like on the day when the drum was birthed and what characteristics that the drum is going to hold, because that's its birthday. I've also popped Driftwood Hollow Drums my little maker's mark on the inside of the frame there. So I've sort of designed this drum so that these longer ones here are at the bottom, but equally you could have it over to the side, and if you wanted to decorate this with feathers or something like that, that's a great way to put a wooden bead on there and put some feathers in, glue them in or bind them in, whichever, that you could do yourself if you chose to. It's actually got a really nice reverberation. I sell some these when you start getting up to 22 plus inch shamanic drums like this, especially with a fairly thinnish skin. When you sing or speak into the drum, it creates a lovely echo and a reverb sound as well. And I do sell some of these drums to people who are vocalists, singers. They like to sing and create a natural reverb with the use of a drum. So that's another little interesting point. Excuse me 1 second while I just bob and get these beaters. Now there's a soft beater, which is the pale one. The dark one is a harder beater, firmer, and they both give a slightly different sound. Both or either of these are available to purchase at the same time that you buy the drum, if you decide to. So that's an option, or you can just buy the drum on its own. I'm going to start with a firmer beater, I think. Make sure all the wool's out. Okay. I'll stand on the back a bit so we can get the whole picture. And the softer beater, here we go. A lot more gentle and more muted slightly with the softer beater. My favourite, I must say. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's helped you to make a more informed decision when you come in to choose your own shamanic drum. See which one calls to you, and the process of that happening, I think, is mainly got to be through the sound rather than the aesthetics and the looks. It's the sound which is creating the healing energy as well as the materials, etc. Okay, so I'm Crow, Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Oh, I'm gonna I don't know what I'm doing.